Hey, I want to show you a couple things. First, I'm going to show you the animation. Keep in touch. Zoom. With Kit, staying engaged with the users and promoting your product has never been easier. I think there's a little bit of confusion with what Kit is, and my goal is to help clarify that and bring it to the light. So, let's sign in. I use Clerk to authenticate, and it is so easy. I'm not paid by them. I have nothing to do with them besides this, but I say, thank you, Clerk. This saves my time and everyone else's time. Some cool things with Kit. So a few things have changed, but the core and heart is the same. You can share it a lot easier. Get a QR code, copy your link. If you want to change your link, do it at your own risk. You can publish it, you can unpublish it. So let's say you're doing like a draft thing and you're not ready to bring it out in the world. Well, don't have to yet. You can put a image or a video here. You can name your product and then write about it. This is something I don't need to add. Let's see. Now let's save it. So you can view your site and see that change updated. What's cool is when you update, the cache just invalidates and you get the new page. And then it caches that new page. So your users get it very fast, and thanks to Netlify's CDN. So when you're writing and when you're creating, you get your own post, your own abilities to go and share with others what is new in the space. The beauty of this is on faith.tools, these can appear here. So if you're creating, the beauty is your content can surface in Faith Tools and be brought to more people. Faith Tools gets around 20,000 page views per, let's see, is that the right date? Today's the 25th. Yep, around 20,000 page views per month so far. And it's slowly growing up, and that's fun. We'll see. Thank God for the growth. It's really kind and cool. So if you're creating any of these products or something that's in progress, get a Kit page. So now I'm here. I want to showcase too some updates with post. You get your own RSS feed. So if you are someone who consumes RSS content, boom, people can share it and people can use it, and you can get updates from Kit wherever you consume your content. You can update it. You can delete a post if you want. It will, if you're unpublished, if you're not published, it'll say that the post is in draft because you can't view it. I'm not going to view the context page, but for the security and safety of the context that's already in there, unless I can do this. So let me pause. Okay, so this is the development kit, so I can do whatever I want with this. One interesting thing is, you get a new call to action button. Thank you to Stephen for that one. And if you don't have a call to action, you just say get updates. But if you do have a call to action, so let's just try learn more, you can save it and then preview it on the view site. Boom. I want to show you what it looks like when your site's not published. So it's not published, there's no view because it's not published. So it just says it's in draft and then publish site. Are you sure? Yes. Now post, you get, like I said, your own RSS feed. Let's look at context. Users can say, hey, I'm intrigued. I'm a developer. I can help with this. They can say, actually, one thing I do want to add is someone can click a button and say, hey, I'm intrigued and I want to, I'm willing to provide beta feedback. I think that'd be awesome. You can copy the email list. It does like a comma separated list of emails, and you can just email them manually. The webhook is when someone signs up for an email, if you want to just create a webhook to put that into where you handle emails already, great. The next thing is, if you already have posts, what if I could just automatically pull them in from your RSS feed? So right now I give you an RSS feed if you create posts, but what if you already have it and you don't want to manage another? Boom. That's another thing that's up in the air, and I would love to do that. So try out Kit. Kit stands for Keep in Touch. This is just a fun update on where it is at.